so it's a new month and a new period. I hate that I said that, but it is a new month and I'm gonna get my period again. This month I'm gonna be trying out the period starter kit from Highoh. In this period starter kit, you have these reusable super soft pads that you are going to snap to your underwear, and you can toss them in the wash. You can also toss them in the dryer, which I found fascinating, and it also comes with a little bag as well. So this is a lot, which is great because then that means I don't have to worry about running out of them. These are the pads. I actually got quite a lot of them in the period starter kit, which is amazing because I don't have to worry about running out of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So that would literally carry me through my whole cycle. It comes with this really cute bag so you can carry some extras with you on the go, and you can also place the ones that are already used in here if you're switching them out. This is really cute, great quality. I would almost use this as like a bag that I needed on the go. What is Highoh? They reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in trying these out, and I said absolutely. It has a very soft feel on the in the pad area, and then you have your snaps. And what's really nice about this is that you have 2 spots for snaps. So it has the bamboo charcoal layer and it also has a waterproof layer. So these are all eco-friendly. It's obviously reusable. They said they're recyclable, which is really nice. They're made in small batches, so it cuts out the middlemen. So they literally are made and not overproduced so that they have a bunch left over, but they kind of make them as they go, which I think is really eco-friendly. So I appreciate that. I think I'm gonna run these through the washing machine first before I use them, just because you can also wash and dry them. I'm like a little nervous to dry them, but I trust them. If they say they can be dried, then they're gonna dry them. So I'll probably run them through the washing machine since I have about a week or so maybe before I actually start my cycle. They're on Amazon right now and they are for $29.99, and at least when I'm looking right now, there's a little 5% coupon, but if you go to the website and you put in the code I love Highoh, you can get 10% off there. So you have 2 options there. This one has no chemicals. So it says that it's not bleached with chlorine dioxide, harmful and bioaccumulative byproducts like dioxin. These harmful substances that are found in other pads may cause menstrual cramps and hormone disruption. The next time you see me, I'll be trying these out. All right, okay, so it is day either 4 or 5, and as you can see, I just kind of like abruptly stopped them because once my period gets to about the 3rd or 4th day, like we're just pretty much on the light days now, I wanted to come back in with my final thoughts and full-on experience of using Highoh. The only thing I'll say is that that wasn't as comfortable to have something so thick, although it was nice and soft and it didn't like bother me or irritate me in any way. I did still feel like I am wearing a pad, like it's very clear, but it's actually much more convenient than putting in a menstrual cup. So I will give it bonus points for that, and I do plan on using it. Now for washing and stuff like that, like I said, I actually have mine in a ditty bag because I went through and washed everything one more time once I was done with all of them. They come out just as new. And that's really, really convenient. I washed them on like the delicate cycle, made sure one of the settings was cold. I think it was warm to cold. And then when I put it in the dryer, I just put it on for the tumble dry low setting. I think I was thinking I was gonna use one every day, but it's more like you wanna eventually change it depending on how heavy your flow is. So I think this is great. I look forward to using them again. Oh, an amazing thing that just happened around this time, which is today is the 15th, but I believe last week, at the later part of the week, New York State passed this law that's saying that pads and tampons brands need to disclose on their boxes what the ingredients are. Now that is huge, and the reason why that shocked me is because A, I never realized that they never did disclose it, and B, it makes you wonder, they've never disclosed it, what is in those things? And you hear about it when you do a little research that there's chemicals and all that, but many of us are just grabbing it. It's just household names, Tampax, let's go for it, always. You're just grabbing them. So the fact that at least in New York State now, and hopefully other places sooner, you will have the ingredients on there to know what is the chemical makeup of these products is amazing. So props to New York. So that is my review on Highoh. I really enjoyed the product. Let me know down below if you are interested in some other brands that are reusable and eco-friendly for your menstrual cycle. Let's have a discussion down below. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.